would you like to continue where we left off?
Yeah, if we could just continue, I think that'd be great.
Let me just share my screen 1 second. Yes, so this is the dead endings.
Okay, so it's turtle.
Tantric turtle.
Chicken, okay,
Cockerel,
chicken.
cockerel, yeah.
Cockerel,
A male chicken.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
So, talk.
Remember this one, this vowel?
Ta.
The man peeing.
Right. The
Yes.
Okay. So turtle and then and chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Can talk.
Mm-hmm.
Talk.
Talk. Okay, let's go through the tones before we listen to it. So these are different, remember? So we're going through a different path. So again, there is no tone mark, right? So we're still on this one.
Okay.
But the ending is different. It's not singing anymore. This time it is dead. Tak. So it's just abrupt ending, right? Sudden ending.
Yes.
So it is. That means it's dead. So this time, is the first character a lady boy, or is it a boy or a girl?
It's a turtle. Tantric turtle, so it's a lady boy.
Yes. This one is fat. Remember, long vowel is fat. Short vowel is thin.
And where do you get that from? The first or last?
The vowel.
Thin or fat?
The vowel.
The vowel?
Mm-hmm. So is a long vowel.
It's long, so it's fat.
It's fat.
Oh, okay. I didn't get that, but the thin or fat comes from the vowel. Okay.
Yeah. Exactly.
That makes it much easier.
So this one is a fat vowel. It's a long vowel. So fat lady boy, and that is. It's
emphatic.
Yeah. Can you see?
So what word would you use with the emphatic?
Like excited.
Yeah.
Emphatic.
Yeah.
Like, so just imagine you're doing something like exciting, or you're excited about something, and energetic. That would be emphatic.
Okay.
So fat lady boy, emphatic would be tak.
Tak.
Let's listen to how the woman says it.
Tak.
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 Yep, good.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I'll see you then. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.
See you then. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bye now.
Take care. Bye.
Take care.